video. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a granny square. This is perfect for beginners because you only need to learn the one stitch, because this is the double crochet, because it builds up very quickly. So you can make this into a blanket, you can do just one big granny square, or you can do numerous smaller granny squares like this one and then join them together later to make an afghan. So I'm going to get the materials I need and I'll see you in a minute. For this tutorial you are going to be needing some yarn. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver. You're going to need a 5mm crochet hook and you're going to be needing a pair of scissors. So to start off we are going to be making a magic ring. Because to make a magic ring you simply just fold over your yarn to make a ring. To insert your hook into the magic ring, we're going to secure with a slip stitch. We'll chain 2. This does not count as a stitch. We're going to wrap our yarn around our hook, insert into the magic ring, bring up a loop. So bring through 2, and that is 1 double crochet. I'm going to do 2 more. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So it's 1 yarn. We're going to make our first corner, so we're going to chain 2, close our ring a little bit, and we're going to yarn over, go back into the ring, and make another double crochet, and make 2 more, 1 and 2. So you're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. I'm going to do that until we have 4 groups of double crochets and 4 corners of 2 chains. Chain 2, and our final cluster, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to close up our magic ring. So now we're going to chain 1. We're not going to chain 2. We are going to go into the top of our first double crochet. I'm going to bring up a loop. So we are not going to do a slip stitch, so excuse me. We're going to do a single crochet, chain 2, and we are going to start on our second round. So at the beginning we are going to wrap our yarn round, do 3 double crochets in the corner space, 1, 2, and 3. If you want to do something a bit easier, you can do a chain 2 at the end, slip stitch to the first double crochet and then slip stitch across to your first corner. But I find it So a lot more, I can't find the word, but I find it a lot easier doing a chain one, then single crochet, and then doing the second row in this space here. So we're going to chain one, so for our next space, into the corner space, we're going to make our first corner. We're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and do 3 more double crochets. Chain 1, and you're going to continue doing that all the way around till we get to our final chain 2 space. Once you get to your final chain 2 space, I'm going to do 3 more double crochets, now next round we're going to be changing colour, so we're going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the top of our first double crochet, secure, cut our yarn. And if you want to keep on going and make your granny square the same colour all the way through, you can if you want, but I'm going to be changing colour. So if you're changing colour, we're going to make a slip knot. I'm going to wrap the yarn around our hook. So instead of hooking to the chain 2 space, bring up a loop. We're going to make a standing double crochet in that chain 2 space. We're going to make 2 more double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets. Chain 1. So in our next space we are going to do 3 double crochets and chain 1. We're going to go into our next corner space. Two double crochets, so 3 double crochets, chain 2, you're going to make 3 more double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets into that space, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and keep doing so all the way around to the end. So in your last space, so the third round, we're going to do 3 double crochets, so instead we're not going to chain 1 this time since we are joining our round, so we are going to single crochet, and chain 2 to begin our 4th round. So in the same space that we just joined, we are going to do 3 double crochets, chain 1, go into the corner space, and basically we're just going to be repeating what we've been doing all the way around. You're going to do that for every single round for as long as you want. So I shall see you at the end So this round, so now I'll show you how to, I will show you how to join on your colour one more time. And so yes, I'll pause the video and I'll see you when we get to the end of this round. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just coming up towards the end of my round. So I'm going to do 3 final double crochets in that last single chain space. I'm going to chain 1 and we're going to slip stitch into the top of our first double crochet. So secure the slip knot. Trim my yarn. And we are going to be changing colours again, because again you don't have to if you don't want to. You can change colours as many times as you want. I'm changing colours every 2 rounds, but obviously it's up to you with what you do. So the same as before, we are going to make a slip knot. Wrap the yarn round. Insert into the first corner space. So to try and work over your tails, and that will hopefully save you having to sew in your ends at the end. Make a standing double crochet. 2 more double crochets in the same space. Oops, that's what I was hoping would not happen. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochets in the same space. You don't always have to attach into the corner space. You can attach into any of the spaces around, but I just find it easier starting in the corner space. But that's me. Chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next space. Chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and just keep going all the way around for as many rows as you like. You can just make a small granny square like this and then make a few more, sew them all together to make an afghan, or you can just do one big granny square just by changing colours like we're doing here. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and until next time,